Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. It's a Sunday afternoon and tomorrow is Memorial Day, so I am casual. Thanks for watching. Today we're talking about repairs. I wrote a blog a couple weeks ago that talked about some of the things you could do in terms of repairing your window coverings, and there are three ways that you need to consider. Number one, you can repair it yourself. Possible, and there are for example websites that you can go to online and order parts. If you are mechanically inclined to do it yourselfer, good work. Number two, you can hire a company like us to come out and fix it on site, and in a lot of cases we can. And then the third is you can ship it back to the manufacturer, because some of the things that we deal with are really complicated, and it's not what you think. Like, for example, I just replaced a motor last week for a client, and it was super easy to do. But some things, like the Hunter Douglas Pirouette, has multiple canisters that are working, tubes that the things are attached to, and it's really complex. And so instead of causing more problems, I usually just ship those back to the manufacturer. But in the blog that we posted today, we were talking about whether or not it's worth it to repair what you currently have or replace it. And in the blog it discusses a lot of the different principles involved, and I could get into it all here, and maybe I will someday, but I would like to encourage you to read the blog. I will post it on the bottom on the notes so you can see exactly what it says about how to go about the principles involved in trying to decide whether or not it's worth it to repair it or replace it. And I want you to have a really great weekend, or whenever it is you're watching this. And your blinds, your window coverings, your shutters, your draperies are all an important part of your life, and I want them to work well. And I know that when you work with Kempler Design, we make sure that you're buying a good quality product, and it tends to have very few problems. But if you do have those problems, we're there to take care of them for you. We don't want you to have issues, we want them fixed. So if you're a customer of Kempler Design, thank you for your business, and let us know if you have any problems with your blinds or shades, and we can take care of it for you. And in the meantime, enjoy them. You have a great weekend, and thanks for watching the Kempler Design vlog.